To remove and install the battery on your Indian Scout, follow these steps. Park the motorcycle on a flat, level surface and ensure that it is powered off. Next, remove the seat by grasping the front edge of the seat and pull up to disengage the front grommet, and then lift the seat slightly forward to disengage the rear grommet. Then, if equipped, release the low-frequency antenna and set aside. Also, if equipped, release the wireless control module and disconnect the connector and set aside. Next, remove the wire harness from the retention feature on the cover. Now, remove the 2 cover bolts and set aside. Then, disconnect the negative battery terminal screw and cable. Reinstall the screw into the battery after removal to capture the nut into the battery post. Next, remove the positive jumpstart terminal cap to aid in the removal of the cover. Keep the positive jumpstart terminal cap tethered to the cover so it does not get lost. Continue by lifting the battery cover up and towards the rear of the motorcycle to disengage the tabs in the front. Next, disconnect the positive battery screw, cable, and jumpstart terminal cap from the battery. Reinstall the screw into the battery after removal to capture the nut into the battery post. Now, using the battery strap, pull the battery out of the battery tray. Once the battery is about half or 3/4 of the way out, use your other hand to grab the top of the battery and remove it from the motorcycle. The battery is heavy. Take care not to drop the battery when removing or installing it. Use the battery strap to aid in reinstalling the battery. Before reinstalling the battery, make sure it is fully charged and clean of any dirt or debris. Make sure the bottom battery plate is flat and fully seated to the bottom of the tray. Now, use a battery strap to lower the battery back into the battery tray. Then, connect the positive jumpstart terminal cap, cable, and screw. And torque to specification. Continue by applying a light film of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to the positive terminal and verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Next, reinstall the battery cover and reinstall the jumpstart terminal cap. Now, connect the negative terminal screw and cable and torque to specification. After this, apply a light film of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to the negative terminal and verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Then, install the 2 cover bolts and torque to specification. Next, place the wire harness back on the retention feature on the cover. If equipped, reconnect the wireless control module connector and make sure it is fully seated. Also, if equipped, place the low-frequency antenna cover back into place. Before continuing, turn the bike on to verify the battery has been connected properly. Finally, reinstall the seat. Make sure the seat base engages the front and rear darts. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.